find a log.
Oh, good. Oh, yeah, I see it. Now, this area here, we believe some microburst, tornado, wind, because nothing's constructed. Everything just fell. There's nothing like constructed here.
Yeah, I think it's doable.
Okay, good. Coming. We're gonna go sit on a log and eat lunch. This area we've never even stepped foot in, but I'm liking it. And some of the signs that I've seen in the beginning when we first walked in. And this one here to me is interesting right here, only because it's stripped, like right here, and it's holding this. Oh wow, this is floating. This one here is floating.
Is it in and out?
It's clipped in right there, and it's being held down by this stick right here, and this stick has been stripped. So, and that's a floater, no, it's from that tree down there. This right here looks like a nesting thing. Look, this is hanging here. And this
Definitely a cover.
definitely looks like a cover. This part to me looks natural there, out there. But this part to me looks like a cover. Yeah, it does. Because you have that. Yep. And you have this arch here going over that, and it's being held down by that one. Oh, this is definitely a cover. Something can sit right in here. Maybe something's going to eat lunch with us. Who knows?